Add stereo track.
It's your producer tag here. Lil Kenny.
Gonna fucking freestyle this
Lil
shit,
Kenny.
bro.
Hi guys.
Oh,
Kenny. I like
freestyle, freestyle.
Hey.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Freestyle.
Kids.
I like kids.
Oh,
Jared from Subway, bitch. Yeah.
Fuck.
I'm a
Go get some kids. From fucking Subway. I fuck kids from Subway.
Hey.
Fucking kids from Subway. Subway. Yeah. Pick him up in my van. Fuck him in the subway, bitch, like a trans. AR-15, shoot the cops, yeah. I wanna fuck kids all day, yo. Tranny kids. I like all types of kids. Even the gay and dead ones. Even the gay and dead ones, nigga. Jared from Subway, nigga. Jared from Subway, nigga. My order has no pickles, no sauce. I like kids with all the sauce, though, because I put cum on my fucking Subway sandwich, bitch. I like cum in my Subway sandwich all the time from the little kids that I like to fuck. In my van, FBI busted down my door, though, so I can't really actually be inside of kids anymore. Fuck, man, I like kids a lot. I like kids. Freestyle.
penis up ass.
Yo, it's 12:53. Yo.
Fucking little kids. Yeah. I like little kids. Yeah. I love little kids.